Well, hello beautiful people, my name is Bridget and welcome back to my channel. Hope you're having an awesome day, and today's video is going to be another affordable brand, and I sound a little bit stuffy. Please excuse that, I can't do anything about it. But today we're going to be trying out another affordable brand called Focallure. Now I've tried a lot of affordable brands lately and I've had really good luck with like dupe brands and affordable brands lately, so today we're trying another one. Today's video is sponsored by Focallure, but I haven't been asked to say anything nice about it. I'm just going to be giving my first impressions and trying out some of their products. And I'm a little bit optimistic because I opened up all the palettes and stuff and they look cute as crap. So today we're going to try out some new stuff and get ready together. Without any further ado, let's get into the video. Alright guys, as always, all makeup on this channel is cruelty-free, so is Focallure, and all our products we're trying out today. Now, I didn't really know what I wanted to do for this makeup look. I know I want to do something kind of neutral, because I am going to be filming multiple videos today, but like, there's one of these palettes that's green and I'm kind of in love with by just first impressions looking at it. So, I don't know, I figured we could just open up, I'll show you all the palettes that they sent. And we can try a couple other products too, like their contour, their highlighters, their liquid lipstick products, and their eyeliner and stuff, and their blush. So we're going to try out those things, but first I just want to get started and show you some palettes because they're really cute and affordable, and those are two things I really like because your girl's broke most of the time. Like 90% of the time, your girl's broke. You see her treat herself to like a pop figure, and then she's like, I probably should have done that. But that's just me in general. So let's get started with the palettes. I just hit myself in the ear with that. Why did I do that? So firstly, this is the Secret palette. This is the one I'm in love with the most, but I wanted to do neutral looks today, so I don't know if we're going to use it, but this is the Focallure Secret palette. Look at that color scheme. Look at that color scheme. Can you not? Oh my god, it's so pretty. This matte right here is blowing my mind. It's so cute. And this mint color. So this is the first palette. This is my favorite one because it is like the cutest. It reminds me of like a Huda palette. This is the first one. I just put it on the top because I was like, I have to show them this. It's really cute. Next up is the Paris palette. There's a lot of like these city themed palettes. So this is Paris. I like this one because there's a yellow in it. And it has like these really cool shades. I'm like, I never know how it's going to turn out on the eyes. Next up is Prague. And Prague looks like this. I think it kind of fits like the Prague theme of this one. It's pretty cute. There's a lot of like warmer tone mattes in this one. Turkey is next up, and I don't know much about Turkey honestly, so I don't know if this color scheme matches it, but it is really cute. So next up is Perth, and for some reason the name Perth just sounds so elegant and fancy to me. I don't know what it is, but this is the Perth palette, and I think it's a lot different than the rest of them. It has a lot of fun colors like blues and stuff, and this shimmer right here really intrigues me for some reason. So the next palette we have here is the Sunrise palette. And this is what this one looks like. It reminds me so much of the Huda Beauty New Nude with like a pop of orange or two in here added, but it's not $65. So this is this one, and I'm considering using this one today because I really like this kind of tone and this kind of tone, like really cool tone mattes. So this is a maybe for today. Okay, so the next one is one I've seen people do looks with on Instagram, and it looks so cute. But like the layout isn't my favorite. I like very uniform looking palettes, but this quality looks really nice. So this is the Constellation palette. It reminds me so much like the Zodiac thing that's going around right now. This color scheme is so pretty, but I like very uniform looking palettes, so I'm not sure I want to use this one today, but I've seen people use it for, so like it would be a real first impressions of this one. So I'm not going to use this one in today's video, but like the looks I've seen with this look so cute. And this green shimmer though is adorable. So this is the next one, and then we have one other one. This is the Endless Possibilities palette, which is the biggest one. And this is the color scheme in this one. It reminds me of the color scheme of palette I've seen before, but I cannot think of it. I think it's like one of the Morphe ones or something. I cannot think of what this reminds me of. Maybe it's like a Beauty Bay palette or something. I don't know. It reminds me of something so much, but I can't remember what it is. Because it's just got a ton of different things, just tons of neutrals, or you can add like a pop of color because there's plenty of color in this palette as well. So I don't know. But there's a yellow in here and it kind of intrigues me. But today I think we're going to use the Sunrise palette just because it is really beautiful. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. My eyelids are primed, and I'm going to leave the plastic cover over the cream shade here just because I'm just going to use the powders today and I don't want to get this have powder in it, so I'm going to leave the cover on there, but you can definitely pull that up and like put it back down if you want to protect it all the time. I'm going to start off with Pure Nude, which is this shade right here, to set my eyelid primer before we get started, and it picks up on the brush pretty nicely. I can't really tell, like it's going on smoothly and evenly, there's not much kickback in the pan, there's like barely any, but I can't really tell like the shade because it is so close to my skin tone. So the next shade I'm going to go into is Give Me Mocha, directly under that first shade we used. I'm going to do this. coated the brush pretty well. There's no kickback. And I'm just going to kind of pack this lightly over the crease. So this shade is applying really evenly and it's really easy to blend out farther. I really like this one. Something about this kind of tone is my kind of color where it's a neutral, but you can still definitely tell it's not like ashy to it, you know? Like I love a cool tone eye look, but I also love like a nude that's kind of sandy, but not like ashy or gray in color, and this is definitely one of those colors that I love to use. I'm going to go ahead and start building up our crease area now. This is already a really good base going on, and I feel like it's going to be a really cute neutral look. So this is Tenderly Light. It's more of a pinkier tone. Well, I guess it's not pink. It's kind of a mauve-y. You guys know I love a mauve-y. And I'm just going to start deepening up our crease area. I'm going to avoid the inner portion a little bit. Just keep it kind of light. But I'm going to add this like pinkier tone to the outer portion right there. And this applied really nicely. Just first glance before we blend it out. I'm not just saying this and I feel like people are going to be like, you're just saying that? I feel like a year or two ago, it was all about the expensive brands that had the quality. But I feel like because we've been such like sticklers for really good quality in the past year or two, even the affordable brands are like really stepping up their game. Like there's still some that are patchy, like I love Essence, right? But their eyeshadows are not my favorite. But a lot of affordable brands like this one, we just tried Glamier, we just tried Alter Ego, we've tried those like things recently. And I just really like the quality that like affordable brands are coming out with, even Makeup Revolution and stuff. Like affordable brands are really stepping up their game. And it makes me quite happy because your girl does not want to spend $100 to have good eyeshadow. I'd much rather pay less for the same like color scheme. And that was really easy to use. So next, I don't know if I want to cut this crease or not because I like how just neutral and cute it looks right now. Like it's really pretty. This color is calling my name and I know it's going to mess up this look, like keeping it neutral, but like look how pretty that is. I think we're going to do it anyways, even though it doesn't match like the pink. It's fine, we're just testing the quality of the palette, not my color, whatever we're doing to my eyes. So I'm going to add a little bit of concealer and just carve out the first little corner of my lid. So next up, I keep looking at this color and I keep like, oh, it's so beautiful with like the, it's a glitter, so I'm going to swatch it. With like the greens and the pinks and like the oranges, and it's really pretty. But also kind of like the champagne shade for like keeping this look neutral. Okay, you know what? I'm going to take my finger and just kind of pack on a baby bit of the sparkling rose. Not in the very, very inner corner, but like right here where it fades out. Because I want to do a shimmer in the inner portion, but like I can't get over the color scheme in this. That looks really cool, actually. Oh my gosh, I really like it. This has like a stickiness consistency to it, so I think definitely you don't have to put down a concealer to carve out your lid. You can probably pack it on with your finger because it has like an instant stickiness, like how it's sticking to my finger already. But like, I always just put concealer down just in case. That looks so cute. I kind of want to put it everywhere. So for the inner portion, I'm going to take Champagne because I still want this to be a neutral look. I'm going to take Champagne, which is this shade right here, and I'm going to put it in the inner portion. This shade's a little more soft in texture, like there's some kickback in the pan when I pick this up with a brush, but again, I would definitely suggest using your fingers if you're not trying to carve out an area with this kind of shade. I really like how wet this looks, like, you know, with the two glittery shades, like the shimmery glittery shade and then the glitter shade. I like how wet this looks. And I'm feeling really cute about it, even though I haven't done like my face yet. But I'm going to take the same blending brush we did before this, the E38. It's available in my Sigma brush collab. Also, the shader brush I'm using will be in that collab. Last chance to get it. If you want to get it, I'd appreciate it so much. And I'm going to take Chocolate Martini now. I wanted to use the Latte Please, but because we have the like kind of warm shimmer, I'm going to take Chocolate Martini, which appears to be a matte with a tiny bit of reflect in it, like a glitter reflect. And I'm just going to darken up this outer portion. Try not to mess with our glitter shade too much. I should have done this first, but I just really wanted to play with the fun colors, like the shimmery glittery shades. Now for low lash, so I'm taking the E55 brush and I'm going to go back into the Give Me Mocha shade, which is the really pretty neutral we put over the crease after we set our primer. And I'm just going to buff this under here. I really want the star of this eye look to be like the wetness. That sounded strange. Alright guys, so this is the eyeshadow look. I don't know why I feel like it's kind of dreamy, actually. I haven't done like a really glittery or a really like wet look in a really long time, and these look really, really nice and cute and reflective, and like they draw your attention to the eyes. Well, especially since I haven't done my face yet, but like I'm kind of into it, and like the pink with this orange hair is kind of giving me life because I'm still getting used to like what kind of colors I can do with this hair color, and I'm into it. So I'm gonna pop on some mascara, lashes, and I'll be right back. We'll continue this look. Alright, I am back. I put on some lashes, and I feel very weird because these are like way more natural than I'm used to, but I feel so nostalgic with these lashes. Adam and I were in Target the other day, and I ran by these lashes, and I was like, oh my gosh, the Allure Definition 126. I remember when I wore those all the time, and they were so hard to find, like in Ulta's. Now they come in 3-packs, and I was just like, oh my god, I love those. They were amazing back in the day. And he surprised me with them, and I decided to put them on. I was like, I haven't worn these style of lashes in forever, but they're really cute, and they're so much smaller than I'm used to wearing nowadays, but like, nostalgia, and I feel pretty good about it. So I need to add some color to the face. The eye look though, it's really romantic looking, and I'm really into it, but my face looks really like flat with just foundation on. So I want to try the Sculpting Glow, and then one of their blushes as well from Focallure. So this is the Sculpting Glow. This is the one I picked out. It is the 01 because it's light, and look how cool this like contour color shade is. It's so cool tone, which is great for someone pink as crap like me. I do have a little bit of contour on already, but I'm just going to add a little bit with my blush brush just to add a little bit more because it's worn out a little bit. I've been wearing this for a while. Your girl got distracted by a podcast. That's really cute. It's really cute. Got distracted by a podcast and has been wearing this foundation for a while, so it's been here for a little bit. Under the chin as well. Get rid of all the chins you can, you know? That's really cool tone. That's really cool. Ooh. Okay, I don't know. I really like that. I really like that shade. The highlighter though, not my kind of highlighter shade. I like a stark white one, but this little duo is really adorable. So I'm going to try this. This is the FO3 from Sigma. Just try the highlighter shade. Oh, okay. I thought it was going to be darker because in the pan it looks like really champagne-y. It's really light, and that's really highlighty. Ooh, that's really pretty. Let me put a little bit under the brow too. Okay, you know what? I don't know why I'm skeptical. Like, highlighter is one of those things I'm really like particular on. I was so skeptical. I am so sorry, Focallure. This is a cute duo then. Like, for like traveling, this cute little duo has a nice cool tone contour color and a really pretty highlight. I was really worried this was gonna be too dark because it just didn't look like as vibrant, but like that highlight is perfect tone for me. And it doesn't come off super champagne-y or gold on the skin. It just looks like a nice light colored highlight. That's really cute. That's really cute. Okay. Alright. Oh, I feel so much more vibrant and fun now. I did not do this in the right order. But we did try the little Sculpting Glow. I absolutely love this. I think I might even like this more than the eyeshadow palette. The eyeshadow palette is dreamy. But like a good cool tone contour color is hard to come by. And like, that looks good. So this is the Focallure 02 Grapefruit Blush. This is the one I picked out to use today. Because it's a nice ombre blush. And it's really cute. Also, you can see my cool Halloween tablecloth. So I'm going to use the same brush we used before, which is just a, like, I don't know what kind of brush this is. I think I got in the subscription box 1 week, or 1 month. I'm just going to dip all in this, I guess. Probably should have tapped off the excess, but I blend mine into my contour. That's what, that was a lie. I should have tapped off the excess. Alright, it's fine. It's fine. We'll just make it match. It's fine. Because that's what Pheromone does, and she is the epitome of beautifulness. So I now blend my blush into my contour. It's a very pigmented blush. Please be careful with it. This side, look, I can deal with this. This is, it's really pigmented. It's good that the blush is pigmented. I just went a little heavy-handed with it. Oh, this highlight though looks so cute. Okay. So now all I have to do is lips. There's a couple other lip colors I like. This is the one I already opened. It's called Who's Next. We're going to try this one out. Ooh, it's very orangey. It looks a little more red in the tube than it does out, but let's try it anyways. I don't know if it's going to match my pink eye look though. It feels very creamy. That's the color. I know, I'll put it on anyways. So it has a sweet smell, like candy to it. It's a very specific smell. I can't tell you what it is. It's Jello. It smells like Jello. It smells like Jello. It smells like Jello. So this is lip color. It's starting to dry down, but it doesn't match this eye look. But like the lip color is pretty. I'm just gonna pop on a different lip color off camera real quick that matches the eye look a little more because it's kind of pinky, and I'll be right back. But like, the lip color isn't bad. Alright guys, so this is the finished look using a bunch of different Focallure products. We tried several today and this look came out really cute. Overall, like, I kind of miss wearing big lashes, so this looks like a little bit off for me today, but like, overall I think it's really pretty. So the eye look is still looking super wet and super pretty. I really like it. Like, this eye look together, like, is so romantic, and I feel like it's a good date night look. The blush, very pigmented, very pretty grapefruit color, but like, be careful because you just like cannot coat with the brush. You gotta tap off that excess or you'll be like really coated in blush because it is very pigmented. I kind of like the like ombre effect to it as well because I love mixing like ombre things together. I'm never one who does one side or the other. I like mix the whole ombre together when I use these things. The eyeshadow palette itself, other than the eye look looking really romantic, the color scheme is really interesting. I like that it's kind of like a nude palette with like pops of orange in here. I think it's fun, and these shimmery glittery shades were really good to apply on top of concealer, but I don't think you necessarily need to. I think you can pack it on with your finger just fine on like a regular eyelid. The Sculpt and Glow might be my favorite thing, just because this is such a cool tone contour color and your girl needs that, especially when you blend your blush into your contour like I do. Like, a cool tone contour color is amazing, especially for fair skin like myself. And this highlight I was doubtful of, but it turned out really beautiful. It's really pretty and it's not very glittery. It's definitely more of a metallic highlight, which I definitely prefer just on my personal preference. Some people love glitter highlighters. I love more metallic highlighters. And I'm overall really happy with the look. Also, the liquid lipstick was really nice. I just wanted a different color. And the other ones I had were like reds and browns, and I kind of wanted something a little more muted just because we did such a pinky eye look. It's nothing against liquid lipstick at all. But overall, I'm very happy with today's look. Thank you guys for getting ready with me. Let me know what you think and what your favorite product was in the comment section down below. Let me know if you tried this affordable brand before. Because Focallure is something I've heard people talk about, but I haven't personally tried, and now I'm really glad that I have. And if you want me to use that green palette or any other palettes in another video, let me know. I'll certainly do it because I have them and they look really cute. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!